Intro. Be intro. Hello. Damn it, I swore. Intro. God damn it, I swore again. An intro. Intros. Hey everyone. Welcome to my project. Alright, so measuring across for my crossbars, it's exactly 53 and 13/16. Sorry about that. Let's try that again. So measuring across from one wall to the other at the floor, which is where it's at its narrowest, because it's bowed out a little bit, but we can pull that in. But measuring that, it's 53 and 13/16 across, which is slightly smaller than 54, which is what I was aiming for, but we'll survive. Let's blame the glue. Took up too much space. Anyways, so what I've got going on here is with my miter saw, I've screwed this board to this board and clamped it to the table so it won't move or wobble. Put this so that the end is at exactly 53 and 13/16. And then I've measured it to make sure it's actually going to land where I need to be by measuring this board. Now the idea is that I can cut this board and then go put it up, cut another board, put that one up without having to worry about remeasuring, because I can just put it up against this block and cut, and then I can move on to the next one. So with that said, let's see how it works. It held pretty damn good, not gonna lie. Ah! Ah! Ooh, that was a deep one. Look at that blood. Ah! So this is my brother's idea, and it worked perfectly, acceptably, which gave me the ability to test something. Now, when you're towing a trailer, if there's plenty of weight on the tongue, it holds down the back end of the vehicle. If there's not enough weight on the tongue, it'll pick the vehicle up, which causes it to sway dangerously. Allow me to demonstrate the problem. We may need some drastic new planning. You're gonna want to see this. Okay, so as you can see there, I've put a board. I haven't attached it to anything. I've just put it across the door frame. I've strapped the strap to it, and then we've put the ratchet in the old pull hole here. I'm going to try to pull the whole frame forward. Wish me luck. I mean, I guess I could have done it by hand. That wasn't that hard. But sometimes it's better to not risk your back. Alright, begin wall glue up. I don't know if this is the right decision to do first, but I'm doing it, and we'll figure it out, because that's the moral of my ability. We will figure it out. planed the boards. I don't know how well you can see it, but this is what it looked like when I first got it. Like $4 a board foot. This is what it looks like now. As you can see, if you wanted to buy it like this from Home Depot or whatnot, big box stores, you'd be looking at spending probably more like $12 per board foot. I saved quite a bit of money by spending an hour doing it myself yesterday.
It needs a door handle. But I think it's just the right amount of stick. Alright, so the camper has had some progress. We haven't really changed the tongue at all, but we have painted it nice and bright orange. This door is over there, still waiting to be installed. I may switch the hinges, I'm not sure yet. I do need to make some fenders and then wire it. Once that's done and the doors are put on, I will be able to register it, which is a big moment, I guess. Unfortunately, you guys, I ran out of video and then stopped recording because it was slowing me down a lot. So, but you guys saw me leaving off gluing this on, screwing it in. As you can see, I painted the inside too. This is all deck paint, not super strong, but it's outdoor level deck paint, so I'm hoping it'll hold up well. If we look underneath here, I put Rust-Oleum bed liner under there. I do need still a little bit more. Obviously, in places like this, I will need to do some cleanup. The windows are from the original camper, as is the frame and the leaf springs. But other than that, this is all built by me. So this is my progress report for now. Again, sorry I don't have any video from there to here, but you know, there's been a lot of changes of plans, so still a lot to do. But it's orange, and from this angle it's a little bit more yellow orange than the Jeep, but that's okay. I don't know if I want to name this the pumpkin too or come up with a different one, but out in this light you could tell I definitely need to touch up the paint a little bit, but we need to order new paint to do that. There's certain things that I wish I had done differently, because like that is never coming off, that, but that's okay. Maybe I'll put some fancy trim over that. Remember, you can always make it look better with trim, as long as you don't make it too heavy, I guess. But the camper is taking some color and shape and getting close. I'll need to order a mattress too. I went with blue on the inside. I may change that, we'll see. I kind of like the inconsistency where you can see the wood grain through it though, so maybe not.